Hi, hello guys, welcome to our channel, your Bankers Mantra. I hope all you are good and preparing well. And now we are going to prepare for RRB PO and Office Assistant. And daily in evening, I will provide daily to-do list for both PO and clerk. And if you have any doubts, you can connect me in my Telegram group and I will provide that link in description. So start your preparation with confidence and motivate yourself. And let's start our tomorrow's to-do list. Early in morning, learn all basics of each subject like tables, squares, cubes, alphanumeric values, some vocabulary words. So early in morning on daily basis, revise all basics of each subject and then give 1 hour for reading daily current affairs. And who are beginners, they can read from Adda 247 or from grade up, and who are already preparing, they can prefer affairs cloud or study IQ. So on daily basis, give 1 hour for reading daily current affairs. After that, watch editorial video, and there is a daily live class from Adda YouTube channel by Santosh sir. So on daily basis, watch an editorial video. And after that, attempt a clerk prelims exam from one of your purchased source. And also we have many free sources, so attempt a clerk prelims exam and also analyze its weak areas where you are lacking and your mistakes. So attempt a prelims mock test for 1 hour. And after that, give 1 hour for practicing each subject of quant reasoning who are beginners. So tomorrow for quant section, watch any basic level videos from any YouTube channel for simplifications. And in RRB exams, at least 10 to 12 questions comes from simplifications, so we have to prepare more for simplifications. And after that, for reasoning section, watch basic level videos for any YouTube channel for inequalities questions. So tomorrow, watch basic level videos for inequalities for reasoning section. And after that, in afternoon, who are beginners, they repeat the morning schedule in afternoon also. And who are already preparing for mains preparation, give 1 hour for each subject of quant reasoning and English. So tomorrow for quant section of mains, attempt mains level data interpretation quizzes from Adda 247 app, and they are freely available, so use all those. And also for reasoning mains, attempt mains level quizzes from Adda 247 app. And also for English mains, there are free reading comprehension quizzes from Adda 247, so attempt all those and they are freely available, so use all those quizzes for our mains preparation. And also give 1 hour for reading banking awareness and also computer awareness for our mains preparation. So tomorrow for banking awareness, from Arihant book, read intro of banking, that is basics of banking and what is banking. From Arihant book, read 1 hour. And for computer awareness, tomorrow read history of computer from Arihant book, and that book I will provide like PDF in my Telegram group. So read 1 hour. And after that, read April first week current affairs from one of your source for your mains preparation, both who are beginners and also who are already preparing. So tomorrow, read April first week current affairs, and then attempt PO prelims exam from one of your source and analyze its weak areas where you are lacking and also your mistakes. So that's all for tomorrow's to-do list. And if possible, we will provide all the links and PDFs for the to-do list topics in my Telegram group, your Bankers Mantra, and I will provide that link in description. So join my Telegram group for more daily updates. And thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for more daily updates and latest updates.